Welcome everybody. Today I'm making banana bread. I got baking powder, 2 egg, 1 stick of butter, banana, flour, and milk. I'm gonna mash my banana. Then put 1 stick of butter, room temperature. Mash them all together. Add 2 eggs. Add a little bit of sugar because banana is sweet. Add flour. Baking powder. Mix. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. My butter is ready. My banana bread is ready. Look nice, it smells really nice.
Lisa, subscribe.
It's very fluffy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. See you next video. Bye.